Hello everyone, how are you all? All fine at your places? Okay children, today we will talk about fruits. Children, do you all eat fruits? Fruits are very good for your health. See, I have some fruits for you. I will show you now. What is this? This is apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. एप्पल खाने से आपके चीक्स रेड रेड हो जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रॉबेरी. डू यू ईट स्ट्रॉबेरी आइसक्रीम? ओके, दिस इज अगेन वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. Now I have grapes. Grapes are also very tasty. And now see this. This is a banana. Banana gives you calcium, which makes your body strong. Here again, here I have a mango. Nowadays you must be eating lots of mangoes. Okay children, now I will make something different with these fruits. I will cut them into strips and we will make it into a puzzle. So let's now start. See children, can you see? I have cut all the fruits into strips and put them in these glasses over here. Can you see? Now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. Children, now let's start solving this puzzle. See, I have shuffled all over here. Now we will start solving them. Because I don't know what to do here, I will see how I can solve this puzzle. You will also do it like this. See here, I have solved the puzzle. Can you see? What is this? This is a mango. Can you see? Now clap for your ma'am. Okay, so I have solved this puzzle. When you will solve this puzzle, ask your parents to clap for you. Okay? Okay, now we will make same puzzle with vegetables. Now we will talk about vegetables. Here, see. This is turnip. This is pumpkin. Potato. You like to eat French fries ना? French fries इसी potato से बनता है. Cauliflower, capsicum, brinjal. Brinjal से क्या बनता है? बैंगन का भरता. वो भी आपको बहुत टेस्टी लगता है ना? So now we will cut these vegetables into strips and make puzzles out of them. Okay children, now I have cut all the vegetables into strips and now we will solve the puzzle. Okay, now let's start with the puzzle. See, here I have taken cauliflower. Now let me see how I can solve this puzzle. No, ये तो ठीक नहीं है. Yes. Yes. Now see, I have solved the puzzle. What is this? This is a cauliflower. Okay children, now we are over with this activity. Children, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Making puzzles with images of fruits and vegetables. Okay, you will all solve the puzzles and ask your mama papa to give you small gifts, or they will clap for you when you will solve the puzzle. And children, stay healthy, stay safe, and next time I will bring you another very interesting activity. Till then, bye-bye.